Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blaine. And right now I am playing Beamng Drive. And it's just, well, you guys know. I've played this before. You guys see, I'm playing the free mode. I don't know if I played the free mode last time. Just drive around, you know, do whatever you want. And this one, I'm sure, I just destroyed my car. I'm sure I'm not gonna talk as much as I do in like the Halo series or the Don't Starve. Don't Starve, it's easier to talk. Excuse me. I don't know what's wrong with my voice. I don't talk. I talk a lot because, you know, I have someone to talk to. It's easier to make conversation. You have someone to talk back that talks back to you. It's just easier to make up conversation. I mean, when I have a certain topic to talk about, I'm fine just like I am now. But when I don't, I don't talk very much and I don't really think about it. And I think I'm flooding the hell out of my car. This thing's awesome. Let's see what else we got here. Should probably put my car in park, but whatever. It's all good here, right? Let's go with this one. Oh no, I spawned it new. This might take a minute. Ooh, it hit me. Go. Uh-oh, pulled me a little bit. Oh. That's not good. I just totally wrecked my car. Oops. And I just wanted to say, I just barely got done working on something, and I'm probably going to work on it a little more, maybe take it down, you know, kind of fix on it, you know, do some stuff to it. But I just barely got an app for my store. And if you already didn't know, I'm sorry. Ignore that. If you already didn't know, I'll probably cut that part out. Or just block it, you know. There's something about a virus or something. Doesn't matter. But on my app, it tells you all about my store. It tells you anything you need to know, and it has some codes on there. I don't know. I just turned. I have a card on there that if you donate $10 10 times, you get 20% off of anything in my store, or a reward depending on what. And when I say reward, I mean like I'll give you a gift, gift card to somewhere. I'll just give you something. You know, I'll figure it out. It's not fully figured out. Or I'm thinking about making it so if you buy something from my store so many times, you get, you know, 10% off or something like that. It hasn't been fully figured out yet. I'm just releasing the app, just figure it out, just know how to do it. I just wrecked my car. You know, I just wanted to bring it up because I don't have any really else to do it except for here and my Facebook page. I'm going to change my car. But, you know, I just wanted to say that, you know, so you guys can take a look at it, see what we got here. I think I like the red one. My frame rate is doing way better than it was last time, I think. Not at the moment. Yeah, it is. It's doing fine. Doing better than it was at Halo. I'm sorry. I don't know why Halo came to mind. Fallout. That was weird. Let's see if we can find pavement. Okay, maybe I just jinxed myself. I think I just jinxed myself. I don't know how to get to pavement. This might be bad. Oh, this way. Frame rate is being horrible. And if you didn't see the last video, this probably won't be up for a while. My channel will probably be down for a while. But my computer that I usually use to upload, to edit videos is down. It's being weird. We're gonna try figuring that out tomorrow. And I can't edit my videos at all, and I don't want to put my videos on, some pavement. Put my videos on YouTube until I get them edited. Sorry, I can't speak. Until I edit them. Sorry, I can't speak today. Let's see if we can get to that bridge up there I just saw over there. I don't know where I saw it. I wasn't really paying attention. It's a pretty nice car. Uh-oh. It's gonna hit the wall. Ooh. That's bad. Let's see if we can do this. Why isn't it turning? Okay, there we go. Now it's turning. Wouldn't this be fun? I don't think I am. This feels weird. Here it is. Let's see how much we can crash this thing. First person view. Well, this is actually kind of boring. Well, that was quite boring. I looked over to the right. Trying to look at you guys, but let's see if we can get back up here. There we go. Find somewhere else to drive off of. Emergency lights were on there. Let's get up here. This looks interesting. I wonder what's up here. There's a shop. Wonder what's there. Probably gonna miss it if I keep going. What's here? Information Center. It's cool. See if we can land this, and we are not landing this at all. Everybody's decapitated. That sucks. Alright, let's try a new car. That was not what I wanted. There we go. I was trying to do that. I thought that was a faster way. Let's try the blue one. Have some fun with this one. That's not good. This is a sharp corner. Just tore up the right side of my car. Let's try a new car. Let's see what we got here. Nothing good. Excuse me. Let's see how fast this puppy can go. Looks pretty good car. Not bad. Kinda. Actually, it kind of is. Okay, no, it's not. Maybe. I don't. I'm not a car guy. Kind of am. Not really. Yeah, it's not a very good car. Well, that little pebble screwed up the whole front of my car. Well, I wouldn't exactly call that a pebble. Trying to get to that bridge over there in the right. Probably gonna change this car. This car kind of sucks. Oh yeah, this bridge destroyed. Let's get a fast car. Isn't it shifting gears? Let's try this thing in manual. Oops. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Oh, maybe I am. Maybe the passenger made it. Well, I'm out of time here. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.